An approach to understanding motivation is called Maslow's hierarchy of needs. According to Maslow, we have needs that need to be filled in a specific order. Maslow's hierarchy of needs is broken down into a pyramid created by Abraham Maslow. Maslow broke these needs down into a pyramid to define a needs hierarchy based on those needs that need to be fulfilled first. We're going to take a look at those needs and how they would apply using social media. According to Maslow, our needs start from the bottom to the top and move up to the top. According to his hierarchy, our most basic need is our psychological need. It includes things like food, water, sleep, and breathing. These are the essential needs to survive. Applying this to social media, our physiological needs will be those things that we need in order to access social media sites like a computer, smartphone, tablet, internet, and connection to power. The second need in the hierarchy is safety. Safety of resources, health, our employment, and our property. With social media, LinkedIn provides security of employment, which in turn gives us access to health, property, and resources. Safety needs are basic needs as well, but can only be fulfilled when the psychological needs are filled. These two levels combined together are called the basic levels. The third level in Maslow's hierarchy is defined as love. This is our need to belong and to be loved, a need to have friends or family. Using social media, Google Plus and Facebook connects us to our friends and family to connect with family and friends and also nurture and curate new friendships and relationships. This level of needs is also called our social level. The fourth level is esteem or self-esteem. We all like to have a sense of accomplishment or achievement in things that we do. This level is also called respect, and we seek to gain the respect of others. Although we can facilitate this through sites like Facebook, Twitter is probably the best example of how we show our opinions, confidence, and achievements. The last level is called self-actualization. This is our need for wanting and having a sense of morality, acceptance, and creativity. This is also called our full potential. With social media, blogging is a way to share your creativity, spirituality, as well as your knowledge and expertise on issues. There are several sites that you can use to create blogs. And this is how social media can be applied using Maslow's hierarchy.